Hello and welcome back to Supply Chain Weekly, brought to you by Sphere Management, your source for all supply chain and logistics news. Today is Monday, May 22nd. My name is John. If you like any of today's stories, make sure you check out the links in the description for more details, and let's jump right in. Our very first story of the day comes from the American Transportation Research Institute, which says that congestion on U.S. highways in 2015 led to delays and accidents that cost an additional $63.4 billion in unnecessary operation costs. This provides an economic incentive for companies to perfect autonomous vehicles, since a self-driving highway system is safer, faster, and less expensive in the long run. Up next, a recent lawsuit between Central Freightline and Amazon could put the e-commerce giant in a difficult situation. According to the case, Amazon has unlawfully used its economic power and dominance and made an unlawful attempt to throw its economic power around. Amazon is a $400 billion company, but the lawsuit is over $3 million in unpaid service fees. Although it's a drop in the bucket for Amazon, their negligence in this situation seems to show a general disregard for the rest of the industry. Next up, in the world of autonomy and emissions, we have Volvo taking the lead with Swedish recycling company Renova to introduce a self-driving electric waste reduction vehicle into urban areas. Along with this, the Yara Birkeland is soon to be the world's first fully electric container feeder, aiming to go into testing with a crew in 2019 and to be completely autonomous by 2020. The new ship will also reduce emissions and improve road safety by removing up to 40,000 truck journeys in urban areas. Both of these are big steps in terms of safety and efficiency, as well as environmental impact. And for our final story of the day, we mentioned it last week, startups have been attempting to do the same for months, and we all saw this coming. Uber has finally announced Uber Freight. This may seem like a great step, or a frightening disruption, depending on your point of view. This may put pressure on larger trucking companies, but will also give independent truckers an opportunity to maximize the efficiency and profitability of their work. Trucking companies already do their best to pack their trailers to the brim, so hopefully now Uber Freight will make that process even easier for everyone involved. The whole industry seems to be buzzing over this news, but it is independent truckers that are most interested, as they voice their concerns over the ability to negotiate their own rates. Although this is a very recent development, there will certainly be more news to come once the app launches and we start to see the effects on the industry. This has been Supply Chain Weekly, brought to you by Sphere Management, your source for all supply chain and logistics news. My name is John. If you liked any of today's stories, make sure you check out the links in the description for more details, like and subscribe for more content, and we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.